Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hakim bin Muhammad Sulaiman from the P3A. I am electrical student. Right now, I want to make a video about comparison of smartphone. As you can see, these two smartphones have different color and size. The black one is Blackview, and the white one is Asus. Blackview using 4.4.2 version of Android, but the Asus using 5.1.1 version of Android. The size of Asus is smaller than the Blackview. Blackview have wider screen. The size of Blackview is 5.5 inch, and the Asus is 4.5 inch only. Blackview also have better camera than Asus. Asus camera is 5 megapixel only, but Blackview is 13 megapixel camera. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.